don't talk about my nails, because I'm sure my nails probably look better than yours. This is like probably the best that don't do it. Don't talk about my brows. My brows, let me see. I tried to like cover the hair up with some concealer, but baby, so what you see is what you get. Do not talk about me like y'all make me.
See, fame is when people know you. Notoriety is when people know your work. And notoriety leaves a legacy.
Trying to party with the queen, they gon' have to sign a non-disclosure. I took the top off the Maybach. I took the top off the Maybach. I took the top off the Maybach. I took the top off the Maybach.
So, as you can see, I have some knotless braids that I did on myself. And I have basically had these braids in for a month and a half. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys like exactly what they look like after a month and a half. I hear a lot of people say, I'm not paying that much for some braids that don't last as long as regular braids, and they are not as thick and full, like they shouldn't be as much money or whatever. But I basically just want to show you guys. Now, keep in mind, I do not tie my hair down. I do not nothing at night. This is me. Like, I'm scratching in it. I'm living my best life. I do not take care of my hair. So if this is 6 weeks for me not taking care of my hair, just imagine for somebody who actually like ties their hair down. And so as you can see, my edges don't look as bad as the back and the middle, and that is because like three and a half weeks in, I redid my edges. But this is like, I just want to show you guys like the amount of new growth that I have. Like, it's crazy the amount of new growth that I have. This is 6 weeks of new growth, and yes, it is dirty. It does need to be washed. It does need to be shampooed and cleaned, but I could just slick my edges down and like wear this another week. I really could, like, probably slick these little slick those down and like go another week. And for people who actually tie their hair or take care of their hair, don't, you know, have dandruff or sweat as bad, like, it's nothing for you to wear these braids for 2 months. Yeah, I know there's a lot of videos out there already about knotless braids, and the way I do them may not be much different, or maybe exactly the same way as somebody else does them. I don't know. But I basically just wanted to get you guys to comment below on any questions that you may have. When I say any questions, I'm talking about time, how long it takes to do them, products that you use, the type of hair that you use, how to know who can and who can't get them, are they healthy, are they not healthy, are they heavy, like the pros and the cons, pricing. Like, I literally want to give you guys a how-to video on how to do knotless braids and show you my technique that I found the easiest to do them. And I also want to, like, in the midst of that, answer any questions that you guys may have, because you know Miss Versatile does not mind giving you guys the 411. Like, I do not mind sharing anything that I know, anything that I feel can help you guys to better your craft. So, like I said, just ask me from a client's perspective, from a stylist perspective, like any questions that you have. And I'm going to try my best to like get through all the comments and find a way to answer all of your questions in the midst of the video. I can tell you about these braids from a stylist perspective, as far as like doing them, pricing them, whatever. And I can also tell you from a client's perspective, because I've actually like worn them myself. So I can tell you about maintenance. I can tell you about how I wash them, how I you know, pin them up when I get in the shower, all type of whatever, like anything that you can think of. Excited to be back on my channel, and I hope you guys are ready for everything I have in store. Like, I'm working on videos, you guys. I'm seriously like trying to get you guys some new content. Pop Smoke, like I say, Knotless, everything. Like, I just want to, we even gonna do some frontals on here. Like, I have found out so much information between the time that my last video, like between the time of me being away from my channel. I've learned so much about different things, and I'm so ready to share it with you guys. This your girl, Miss Versatile. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As always, I love you, dolls. It's been 6 weeks and I'm about to lose my mind. Like, y'all don't understand how anxious, excited, and ready I am to get these things out of my head. Like, don't get me wrong, they cute, they so convenient. Like, they're so convenient and they're so cute, and they're just like everything, especially for somebody who loves braids and protective styles. Like, oh my god, this is the it. I have clients who literally wear them 2 months, take them down, and get me to put them right back in their head. This is like the holy grail of box braids. But Miss Versatile needs to be versatile. Like, you know what, I'm so ready. Like, what you wait. Oh, y'all thought this was a game. Word. But yeah, like, your girl is ready. When I say ready, we're gonna go and start. We're gonna go and start, right? Yeah. But even cutting it, like, look how cute that would be. Look how cute that would be as a knotless bob. Oh my god, that's next. Like, that's next. I'm doing a knotless bob on somebody. Who ready? Who ready? Who wants it? So yeah. Oh my god, they still cute. Still cute. Y'all, like, I don't want to take them down.